Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a Faber vent hood. My customer's complaint was that the buttons were not working. One of the power button, the little small switch plastic tab was broken on it, so I ordered the part and I'm here to replace it, and I'll show you how to replace this. It's very easy and simple. So that's the the vent hood we are working on it today. It looks like that. That's off. I usually ask my customer to turn off the cooktop, but you can always lock the cooktop. You can add the choil lock on it. Here's the button that's made by Blomberg. You press and hold it for a couple of seconds, for 5 seconds. You see that light, it's on now. And so I'll take one of the filters off. The filter comes off. I'll put one of the filters right here, and then I'll put my blanket. So this filter comes off, and then there's these two clips. You hold this trim piece and pull it down, and the same thing, you're gonna hold the trim piece and pull it down. The whole trim piece comes out, and now we got the switches here. There's two Phillips we're gonna take down. Turn off the power before working on it, but right now the customers' families are in the basement where the breaker is, so they can't turn it off, and I feel safe to work on this one. It's easy and safe. So this piece comes off. There's a little bit of debris here. We can wipe this and clean it. And here's the buttons I'm going to install here. You can also see the part number right here. And now this piece comes off. That, and this other piece goes in. They have two small tabs on the left and right. You kind of add it there and then kind of bend it, re-add it, and then that's it. And then you can put this again. You want to make sure it's clean, looks clean. So this piece, looks good. And before you put everything back together, you want to test it quickly. And the way you pull this out, you will reinstall it back in. So the trick on this one is, when you're reinstalling it back in, you can't just go like this. You have to put the panel, the trim piece first, hold it tight there, and then push this tab, it's fixed. And you can put your filters back in. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.